Improve direct torque control for induction motor in an electric vehicle application. Abstract. The main objective of this project is to improve direct torque control DTC scheme for driving induction motor in for wide speed range. Here is our website, which you can find the 𝗙𝗍 projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From 𝗙𝗍 simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, advantages, simulation diagram results, applications, software, hardware requirements, conclusion, references. Results. In this project, a direct torque control scheme developed by using a 𝗙 controller and SVPWM technique. Because the 𝗙 controller does not accept three-phase ABC current directly, the Clark-Park transformation is used to convert the time domain components of a three-phase system in A, BC frame to two components in an orthogonal stationary frame AB. 𝗙 controller provide V, A and V voltage to SVPWM system, and SVPWM system delivered switching signals to induction motor drive. Here, the torque and flux estimator block takes measured voltage, current, and stator resistance as input and calculates the torque and flux and provide to the controller. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.